If you're building your first website, whether it's for your personal brand, your content, or even your first online business, this video is where it all begins. I'm going to walk you through the exact starter kit that I use with my personal website. The themes, the plugins, and the tools that make your website look professional, load faster, and actually be ready to start growing your traffic. But if you stick around to the end, I'll show you exactly how to grab all of this stuff right inside our free Discord community. And if all of this isn't enough, I've got one more thing for you. We run a free weekly newsletter for creators where we share tools, AI resources, and even strategies. So if you want exclusive access to what we've found to actually be working right now, then make sure to click the link in the description and sign up to the newsletter for free. All right, so let's start with the theme. So this is basically just the look and the layout of your entire site. Most people get stuck here because WordPress starts out completely blank. So I've included a clean and modern theme that comes with demo content already built in for you. That means that your site will instantly look like a real, finished website. You just change the words and the images and you're good to go. So the first thing that we're gonna do is make sure to click the link in the description to go get access to our free Discord community. In there, you'll find the exclusive download section. And at the top of that section, you'll find I've noted something here called the license theme for WordPress blogs. Essentially what you want to go and do is click on this button here and just go and download that theme. So once you've downloaded the license theme and it's in your downloads, let's head back to our website. And I'm just going to go to our WordPress dashboard. So yours will look something like this as well. What you want to do is head over to the left here under appearance and click on themes. Then let's just head up to the top here where it says add theme. Then it's going to ask us to upload a theme. So just click on that. Let's scroll down here. So then we're going to go and click on choose file and basically select the zip file that we downloaded from that link that I gave you within the Discord community. So once you've gone and chosen that file, then you just want to click on install now. Now it will probably take a couple minutes to download onto your WordPress, but just be patient. And then once it is done, you want to head over to where it says import demos on the left-hand side and just click on that for now. And you're going to get something that looks a bit like this. So these are all the different demo pages that are linked to this specific theme. So you can go through, have a look at which one you feel is going to suit your specific style. They are all quite similar content, but it's more about the layout and the colors and the styles of this specific theme. So feel free to go ahead and choose whichever one you feel suits you best. So for my personal website, I've actually used the Smart Mag theme. So I'll just quickly show you what my site looks like. This is just my homepage to my website. And then I've also got some drop-down bars here with links to my blog articles, free resources, equipments, tools and deals, and then to just also view all the content that's linked to this specific website. So next you'll want people to actually find your website. And that's where Rank Math SEO comes in. It's ultimately an SEO plugin that helps your pages show up on Google. It walks you through everything, your titles, descriptions, keywords, and even gives you a score out of 100, so you know exactly what you need to fix with your pages. You honestly don't need to know much about SEO. This plugin does all the heavy lifting for you. So to show you where to go and install this plugin into your WordPress website, let's go back over to our WordPress dashboard. We're currently still in the appearance section here. Now beneath the appearance dropdown, we've got where it says plugins. You just want to go and click on add plugin there, and it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So there is a ton of different plugins that you can add within your WordPress website, but I'm just going to go and type in Rank Math here, and I'll just show you exactly what it looks like. So Rank Math SEO, the AI SEO tool to dominate SEO rankings. So essentially, if you haven't installed this already, you're just going to go and have to do like what all the other plugins say, is click on install now. So when you go and get started with it, you can go and link it directly to your email as well. And when you start to get traffic, they'll also send you a monthly report tailored to your specific website as well. And just to note as well, this is actually for free. There is a paid version, but you do get majority of the features that are necessary for this plugin within the free version, which is pretty cool. So just to give you a quick breakdown of exactly what this tool does, I'm just going to go to one of my blog posts and show you an example of what actually comes up within my WordPress dashboard for Rank Math. So basically, I'm on my all posts page at the moment, and you can see on the right hand side, it gives us our SEO details here. Now, currently I haven't set this specific page up with SEO details, so it's going to tell me NA at the moment. But for ones that I have done, let's go with this Auto DS blog for an example. It's currently got an SEO ranking of 86. So I'm just going to go to where it says edit here. and show you the additional details that Rank Math does show you as well. So if we scroll down here, you can see on the right-hand side, it's got our SEO ranking of 81 out of 100. Now, if I scroll down a bit further under this Rank Math SEO tab, you can see here, this is our preview on Google, what it's actually going to come up on the search terms for Google. You can go and edit your snippet, which includes your things like your title, your permalink, and your description. And it also gives you a rough indication of exactly how many characters you should be using for these specific elements. You've also got focus keyword that you can help with ranking on Google as well. So in this case, I've gone with AutoDS. Obviously, the article being about AutoDS, the dropshipping automation tool, then it makes sense to have a focus keyword related to what the actual content is about. And then it also gives you a bit of a checklist. Things like basic SEO, you're using your focus keyword in the SEO title, the focus keyword used inside SEO meta description. And then it will also note some of the errors within this article that can be fixed, including things like adding an image with your focus keyword as the alt text. And then also checklists on things like your title readability and then also content readability as well. So look, it is a really good tool to help with giving you an actual guide of what your SEO is looking like on this specific page. All right, so obviously this is a little intro into what this SEO plugin is about. Make sure to stay tuned because in a future video, I'm actually going to break down the exact settings that you want to help with getting the full potential out of this tool. All right, now let's talk about the speed of your website, because let's be honest, no one's sticking around on the site when it's very slow. Now, personally, I use a plugin that's called WP Rocket. It's what keeps your site running super smooth by optimizing your files and your images in the background. You don't have to touch any code or any settings. It's basically a one-click speed booster for WordPress. All right, so to go and get this plugin, I have left a zip file for you guys to download within the Discord community again. So I'm just going to show you, if I scroll back to the Discord, click on exclusive downloads, and you'll see there, this is a zip file for WP Rocket. This is the number 1 plugin for WordPress page speed optimization. Now, this is a specific licensed zip file, so you guys will be saving approximately $59 USD per year by downloading this specific file. All right, so once you've downloaded this zip file, let's just go to where it says add plugins, click on upload a plugin, and just follow the similar process that you've done when installing that theme that you created earlier. Now, once you've installed that plugin, it's going to come up with something at the top here like this called the WP Rocket. This is telling me that this plugin is now being installed correctly and it's ready for use. Now, if I was to click on settings, then it'd bring us to the settings page for this specific plugin. But in a future video, I'm going to break down exactly what settings you need to make sure that this runs as smoothly and as fastly as possible. Now, before we wrap this video up, I do have a couple bonus templates for you guys to use, but I will note that you will need to have Elementor to be able to access these templates and use them within your own website. So I'm just going to show you exactly what you're going to get, and then also how to import them into your website, so then you can start using them, editing them however you want, pretty much straight away. So look, this is the first one. It's a landing page template. So you've just got a little introductory video almost to sort of let the audience know what this is about. And then you've got your submission form here where you can go and grab someone's email. So if you're trying to build an email list or you're trying to get an expression of interest or something, then you could go ahead and use this landing page. So then a bit about it down here as well. So this is our weekly newsletter. So what you'll get, a couple proven resources, weekly updates, and then also a link to our YouTube channel. And then also why trust us with a bit of info there, link to our social media, and then also our website homepage as well. So to go and access this so that you can use a template like this on your own website, just go over into the exclusive downloads again within our Discord community, and you'll see here you've got a free landing page template. So essentially all you have to do is just go and download this template here and then go back to your website, and I'll show you exactly how to install this within Elementor. So you come back to your website, and just here where it says edit with Elementor, you just want to click on that, and I'll show you exactly what this will come up with. So it'll bring you to your Elementor editing page essentially. So you've got your drag and drop editor on the left-hand side here. Now, if you just scroll down the bottom here, you can see that all of these elements can be edited as well. You can go ahead and add anything that you wanted to in there. But down here at the bottom of your page, you'll have a bar that looks like this, where you can go and include a template. So you want to click on this folder button here, click on this up arrow here, and then drag your template file into here, and then download that specific file into your library. Now going back to the library, I've got a few different templates of my own already, but it will say landing page template created by Dan and Nath. Now the last template that I do have free for you guys to use within the Discord community is also the homepage template through Elementor as well. So look, go through the same process. If you want to go and download this, upload that template to your library, and essentially this is what it's going to give you. This is my homepage, my main page for my website. So look, if you are just starting out, it is a clean and professional looking template for you guys to use to help get your website underway. So I've got some direct access to our free guide that Daniel and I created, the 5-step blueprint to making your first $1,000 online. I've also got a bit of a story about us too, linked to our YouTube channel, and then also what they'll get in their free ebook when they download it as well. So look, this is a little bonus. If you guys do want to use these, you will need to have Elementor. And if you do want access to these, just go grab them free inside our Discord community. So that's your full website starter kit. A theme that makes your site look professional, plugins that handle SEO and speed, and a landing page template to help you grow. But make sure to stay tuned, because in the coming weeks, I'm going to show you exactly how to set all of these plugins up step by step so that you can launch your site the right way from day one. Now, if that sounds exciting, then make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and join our Discord to download everything for free so that you can follow along with us in the next video. We'll catch you in the next one.